Welcome learners, and let's all together learn new concepts on geometry. Before anything else, allow me to introduce this specialized circle with push pins on its circumference. The distance between two push pins is 10 degrees. In this video, we will define and describe the following terms: central angles, arcs, and inscribed angles. In the latter part, we will also determine the degree measures of each. A central angle is an angle formed by two rays whose vertex is the center of the circle. Each ray intersects the circle at a point, dividing it into arcs. In this specialized circle named as Circle L, the orange yarn illustrates our central angle, named as angle OLG. Or we can name it the other way around, angle GLO. Its sides divides the circle L into two arcs. One contains the points O and G, and the other one contains the points O, T, and G. Arcs. Arc is a part of a circle. A semicircle is an arc whose degree measure is half the circumference of a circle. The minor arc is named using 2 points whose degree measure is less than a semicircle. A major arc is named using 3 points on the circle whose degree measure is greater than a semicircle. And these two arcs are the ones that arcs can be classified according to these two arcs. In our specialized circle, the pink fuzzy wire represents the minor arc, and we name this minor arc as arc OG or arc GO. And the arc formed from points O, T, and G is what we call the major arc. It is named as arc OTG or arc GTO. Next, inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is an angle formed whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contains the chords of a circle. Again, in our specialized circle, the green yarn represents our inscribed angle, named as angle OTG or angle GTO. Here, the angle is formed in the circle whose vertex T is on the circle and the sides contains the chords of the circle L, chord TO and chord TG. Now that we have defined these terms, let's determine their degree measures. The degree measure of a central angle is equal to the degree measure of its intercepted arc. Since the central angle OLG intercepts arc OG, we say that the measure of angle OLG is equal to the measure of arc OG. Let's determine the measure of this arc by counting. Let me remind the viewers that the distance between two push pins is 10 degrees. Hence, the measure of arc OG is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle OLG is equal to 80 degrees. Next, the degree measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Our inscribed angle is angle OTG, and it intercepts the arc OG. So it is equal to 1/2 of the measure of arc OG. Since our arc OG measures 80 degrees, then we will take half of 80 degrees, and that will give us 40 degrees. And that is the measure of our inscribed angle OTG, represented by a green yarn. Lastly, we have also noted that OG is our minor arc, which measures 80 degrees too. Hence, the measure of the major arc OTG is equal to 360 minus the measure of our minor arc OG. Note that the entire circle measures 360 degrees. It implies that the measure of our major arc OTG is equal to 360 minus 80. And that will lead us to 280 degrees. And that is the measure of our major arc. Now that you have learned already the definitions and how to determine the degree measures of a central angle, arcs, and an inscribed angle, may you be able to apply these concepts on our next videos as we discuss more about circles. Enjoy learning, everyone!